Science is an integral part of our lives. We use it every day, it impacts us every day, and it's important to know what's going on, both in research and in policy. So I think even if you're not a scientist, even if you're not going to go study physics or life sciences, it's still good to be aware of what's happening and to know how that impacts your own life.
I think science should be fun, and it is a great opportunity to share what we're doing here in the School of Life Sciences with the public. So I thought it was an interesting challenge to see what we could put on that would interest adults, children, people from different backgrounds.
The Open Days are really great because they're a chance for us to invite the public, people who might not normally get to interact with the university or see our buildings, into our buildings to experience tours, to experience hands-on activities, and to meet a lot of our researchers and students here who can then talk to them about what they're doing, what their research is about.
We were quite aware that we wanted a balanced programme, so the guided tours were for the adults. We had an art exhibition on in the life space, and one of the artists gave a talk. I think my favourite was the scientists from the Drug Discovery Unit put on the ever popular chemistry show, and the kids were all around the table mesmerised. We had a whole lot of hands-on activities so the children could actually do experiments. They were looking down microscopes at cells, they were making molecules, they were blasting microbes. In fact, we couldn't get the children out of the blasting microbe section.
Schools outreach is really great because you get a chance to meet people when they're young and enthusiastic and encourage them to continue learning about science, whether it's as a potential career in the future or just as something that might benefit them in life and they might enjoy.
I think the buzz on the day is the most fun, seeing people coming in, seeing them playing with the activities, seeing the enthusiasm. I think personally, my favourite part of Open Doors is actually talking with our visitors about research.
So I think Dundee, as the City of Discovery, is a brilliant place to do science engagement. We've got so many cultural partners that we're working with, the McManus, the Mills, the Science Centre, the DCA, and we've got so many local groups, schools and cultural groups that want to use their time and their energy to find out more about science. Because there's so much going on here, so much innovation, it's the perfect place for us to do this work, and I'm really excited about us being able to be involved in that in the future.